Inkantolo lihlehlisile icala ukuze kutholakala udolika wolwimi lwe-Amharic ukwenzela ukuthi umsolwa ezochazeleka ngamalungelo akhe.
Mr. Desalegn, I'm postponing your matter then till the 13th of July 2026, I beg your pardon. That is for purposes of an Amharic interpreter, as well as for your rights to legal representations be explained, and for to establish if you want to apply for bail.
Umsolwa ubhekene necala lokubulala kanti namhlanje uphinde wethweswa ilokwephula imithetho yokungena nokuphuma kuleli kulandela ukutholakala ukuthi ukulelizwe ngokungemthetho.
The state is charging you with 1 count of murder as well as a contravention of section 491A of the Immigration Act by entering or remaining within the Republic without such entry or departure being recorded.
Kubika ukuthi uSantu ubehamba nomshana wakhe beyothenga esitolo somsolwa lesikhathi kuqubuka ingxabano eholele ekutheni agwazwe umsolwa. uSantu uphuthunyiswe esibhedlela kepha kwagcina kumenela ukufa.
Amutlhaba.
Kuthe mayeqeda kumgwaza wabaleka abantwana yiba bagijima bayosibikela lapha ekhaya ukuthi umfowethu uselimele.
Umphakathi unxenxe ukuba ungazibambeli umthetho njengoba amaphaphe esephezulu ngabokufika kuleli.
We're calling on the community to be calm and to trust the authority. That is why I left everything and made sure that I come to this situation. Throughout the night, I was interacting with General Molawa to make sure that we restore the situation. When I learned that the suspect has been arrested, that gave me the comfort, and I think even the community will see that the authority, the police, they are on their side.
Uma umsolwa etholakale necala kulindeleke ukuba agwetshwe udilikajele.